Hello, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming and watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ashley Tiernan. As I'm sure you know from my name of my channel is Ashley Tiernan. Okay, so I have a review for you guys. I'm going to show you how it applies as well. As you can see from the title down below, it is the Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define. So loads of people have been talking about this. I've had this for a little while and I wanted to give it a go. I wasn't going to do first impressions because for me, a concealer, I really have to try different techniques and ways to wear it before I just feel like with a concealer I just cannot give a first impression. My first impression was wow, but you know, I would like to give you guys a good I've been using it for must be 2 or 3 weeks now. I got it pretty close to when it came out. I went into the Superdrug and thank goodness there was 2 colors of the one I needed left. Usually the Superdrug near me, which is like a little over an hour from me, they usually are completely out of stock of new things like that. So I was really happy. The lady's like, these are the last 2. She's like, I literally put them out this morning. So yeah, so I got my hands on the shade C1, which is the lightest shade. I do not have it on at the moment. I'm going to apply it for you guys. I'm hoping this video isn't too bright because I have tried to tame it down a little bit. So I don't have super bad bags under my eyes, but I do have a purple hue kind of like right in here. And I do have lines under my eyes and things like that. So a lot of times concealers just don't seem to work that great for me. They crease, they just start wearing away weirdly in here for me and stuff like that. So I'm just going to apply this for you guys and then I'm going to give you my thoughts as I go and explain like how it applies and everything like that. So you get 3.4 milliliters of product, which is an okay amount for the price it is. I think this was 4 pounds, 5 pounds, somewhere in there. How do I not remember right now? It's like I literally just like forgot. Sorry guys, I just have a lot going on. I will have a video up after this one. I have a let's talk video because I have a lot to talk about. So yeah, I have the color C11. Everybody says this is like a dupe for the Tape Shape. I can't tell you guys that, so I'm really sorry about that. So excuse me for that. I can't tell you because I haven't purchased that myself. So I like the packaging. I think the rose gold packaging is absolutely stunning. It's not too big, it's travel friendly. One thing I see what they're doing and copying Tape Shape is the wand. I'm sure you guys have heard loads about this, so I'm going to try to make this, whoops, quick and yeah. Just gonna apply that there because I put it on my face. So it comes with a big wand. I don't find it super hygienic, but or not hygienic, so sorry. I apply my concealers like this all the time with the wand because I'm not putting it on spots. So I just usually dab about 4 under my eye and go from there. I forgot about the smell. It just smells like a concealer, kind of more like a foundation kind of concealer. I like the color C1. I don't know, I hope you can see that. It's so bright right now. The sun decided to come out. So what I do is I really lightly kind of just brush with this, this is just an eBay brush to be honest with you. And I just kind of tap it into my skin. I have foundation and everything on, so I'm not going to go too crazy with this concealer. I actually don't usually use a lot of concealer. I really like that coverage right there. It opens up my eyes. The coverage is, I would say, a high medium coverage foundation to full coverage, depending on how much you use. I can't use too much of this because I do have creases under my eyes and lots of concealers just lodge in there. Same with foundations, everything like that. That's just how it works for me. I usually use a little and then I will apply just a little more if I feel I need it. Very little at a time because like I said, I cannot wear full coverage under my eyes as I am older now. This concealer applies like a dream. It blends lovely. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything under my eyes. It does kind of have a little bit of a stickiness feel to it. But I love how this concealer applies. The smell doesn't bother me. It smells like a foundation or concealer normally, so it doesn't have like a stinky smell or anything. Whatever I have left over, I usually stick in between my brows. And that's how it applies and that's how it looks. So it gives a really nice high medium coverage for me. I do not apply a lot because if I apply a lot, yes, I get like a high coverage concealer, but like, I don't know if you can even see, but I do have like a crease under my eyes. I get them when I smile a lot. So I go and smile and that crease even gets, it's a little more under this eye than this eye, so I don't want that to crease too much. So what I use then to set it is I love to use the lace powder with this, or if you like the banana powder, I find they work really, really good together. And yeah, so I just tap a little bit of the lace powder and then I set it. And I really highly recommend setting the concealer, especially if you have problems with your under eyes creasing. Definitely set this because I find it does crease just a little bit. Most concealers on me do. Pretty much all concealers do. And then I just add until that little bit of that tacky stickiness is gone. So I don't apply a lot at a time. I just apply a little bit. A lot of times I will apply it around my nose, the concealer. I didn't today. I'm not really going anywhere, so I didn't want to put too much of it on. The price is great. Everything is great about this product. One thing I want to say is it wears quite nicely. I've worn it up to 9 hours. After about 9 hours, I would say it's kind of done its day's work. I don't like it after about 9 hours. I had to take it off after about 9 hours. It just settles into my fine lines. It starts breaking up just a little here because I do have a little bit of an oily nose recently. Not sure what that's about. But yeah, so this concealer is a big yes from me. Oh heck yes. It is a great concealer if you're looking for a medium to full coverage concealer. Definitely try this out. I cannot say if it's a dupe for the Tape Shape tape. People say it is quite close. And yeah, so I just set it and that is how it looks. It makes my under eyes look really, really good for my age anyway. So I really highly recommend this concealer. Consistency is great. Color, the range of colors is phenomenal. So Makeup Revolution, you did it again with another product. An amazing, amazing concealer. I love that concealer. I use it a lot now. I almost don't reach for anything else but this, so I definitely want to get a backup for this because I'm loving it. And I do like how it wears. Like I said, 8-9 hours I find is about as good as it goes. After 9 hours, I just feel like I have to take it off, but most concealers I feel start breaking down under my under eyes and getting into my creases and stuff like that. So yeah, great product for me. I hope it works for you. If you tried it, let me know what you thought down below. Color selection is bomb.com. So thanks guys so much for watching. I don't really know what else to say about the concealer other than it's a definite for the price. Is great and you get a decent amount of product as well. So yeah, love it. So take care guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like review videos, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Until next time, take care. Bye.